Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my beloved kids. Hello. Now, today we are going to study science in class 5 about the states of matter, tentang keadaan suatu zat. Nah, matter has mass and takes up space. Matter itu memiliki massa. Zat itu memiliki massa. It is all around us. Ada di sekitar kita. There are three states of matter. Ya, ada tiga keadaan suatu zat. Let me show you. Nah, solids, liquid, and gases. Ya, and gases. Matter can change from one state to another. Nah, suatu zat itu dapat berubah dari satu ke yang lain. To another, but can still be the same substance. Tetapi dalam substansi yang sama. For example, these solid, liquid, and gas are the changes of states. So, perubahan dari keadaan-keadaan suatu zat. But they are still the same. They are H2O, H2O, ya, hydrogen and two oxygen. Uh, They are the same substance. Same substance. Zatnya masih sama-sama zat air. Tetapi the states, keadaannya, ya, the appearance, penampilannya is different. They becomes liquid, can change into solid, or solid can change into liquid, or liquid change into gas, or gas into liquid, or gas to solid, or solid into gas. Nah, but the same substance, ya. Substansinya masih sama, hanya keadaan saja yang berbeda. Oke. Nah, first we are going to study about this one, about melting. Ya, melting. About melting. Now we are going to study about melting. Ya, melting. What is melting? Melting is the change, perubahan from solid to liquid. Dari solid ke liquid disebutnya namanya melting atau meleleh atau mencair, ya. Meleleh atau mencair. Meleleh atau mencair. Ya, oke? Oke. Nah, look at this. What can you see on the picture? Nah, it is moving. Ya, the pan, in the pan, ya. Look at the water is boiling. Airnya sedang mendidih, ya, on the stove, di kompor. Nah, what is boiling? Sometimes, ya, we want to have water that is very hot. Nah, the equipment on this picture is heated, ya. The water is heated. To what? To make them safe to use in drinking, ya. We can drink water before we can drink the water after we boil the water first. Why? Because the hot water kills microorganisms. Nah, okay. But we have to be careful with hot water. Nah, because why? Because it is hot. Yeah, we can see how hot it is by just looking at it. Nah, air itu harus dididihkan untuk membunuh mikroorganisme atau bakteri-bakteri. Nah, this has is it heat or not? Hot or not? Ya, of course this is hot. Ini panas air mendidihnya. Kenapa bisa panas? Ya, kita dapat lihat, ya. It has temperature. Apa sih itu temperatur? Temperature. What is temperature? Yeah, temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or how or cold things are. Nah, temperatur itu memberitahukan kita setingkat seberapa panas atau dinginnya suatu zatnya. To measure temperature, we use a thermometer. Nah, kita bisa menggunakan termometer ya, alat termometer. Nah, we usually measure temperature in degree Celsius, which is written as S. Nah, ini tuh adalah temperatur itu kita menggunakannya C, Celsius, degree Celsius. Ya, with the small, with the small, what is it? Small O in the degree. Nah, Celsius ya, Celsius. What will happen? What will happen after this? When this liquid is heated, ketika cairan ini dipanaskan, it changes into gas, ya, akan berubah menjadi gas. Nah, when the liquid water is heated, it changes into gas. Nah, berubah menjadi keadaannya dari cairan menjadi gas. Ya, dari zat cair menjadi zat gas. If you heat water to 100 Celsius, jika dipanaskan terus menggunakan api sampai 100 derajat Celcius, ya, derajat Celcius, ya, the temperature, ya, nah, sampai itu mendidih, titik didihnya dari air itu adalah 100 derajat Celcius dengan mendidih dan berubah menjadi gas. Nah, temperature at which a liquid boils is its boiling point. Nah, ini disebutnya namanya boiling point. Kenapa boiling point itu? Boiling point itu adalah titik didih. Nah, titik didih ya, titik didih. Boiling point. Boiling point. Ya, boiling point itu apa? Boiling point itu adalah when a liquid reaches when when a liquid boils ya, or the temperature at which a liquid boils. Nah, oke. Boiling point, titik didih adalah ketika suatu zat atau suatu zat cair mendidih atau temperatur di mana suatu zat cair mendidih. Nah, oke. Nah, this boiling point, titik didih, ya, boiling point adalah the highest temperature a liquid can reach unless it is in a pressure, ya, in the pressure, ya. Titik didih ini adalah temperatur paling tinggi di mana suatu zat cair dapat menjangkau panasnya, ya, dapat mencapai panasnya, ya. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Nah, poin apa ya? Titik didih dari air itu adalah 100 derajat Celcius. At this temperature, 100 degrees Celsius, the liquid water changes into very hot water vapor called steam. Nah, berubah menjadi steam, uap, or gas from the water into gas. Ya, you must be very careful ya with the steam. Oh, look at this in the picture. This steam as the gas ya, because this is very hot and it can burn your hand. Ya, oke. Nah, but the question is that does the water inside this pan, yeah, when it boils, the water will get lower or not, or the water will disappear or not? It changes to hot water vapor. Nah, sebenarnya airnya ntar akan semakin sedikit di dalam ini panci ini. Why it can happen? Because the hot water it becomes vapor or steam. Jadi uap dan menjadi uap panas di udara. Nah, as more and more steam is made, the particles becomes compact and hit the sides of the container. Nah, disebutnya namanya scientists call this as pressure, tekanan. Pressure produces energy. Nah, ya. Nah, ini sebutnya tekanan ini goyang-goyang biasanya, goyang-goyang. Karena apa goyang-goyang pancinya? Karena ada namanya tekanan partikel yang mana partikelnya lebih bebas. Ya, bebas partikelnya dan akhirnya dia apa namanya semakin bebas dan semakin keluar menjadi uap. Ya, oke. Okay. Look at this, for example. What is this? This is the iron, ya. Iron as in the liquid form. This is boiling point of the iron as the substance, as the matter. Yeah. What is the boiling point? Is the point or the temperature at which, yeah, the substance can melt or can boils, ya. Nah, jika dipanaskan terus besinya, maka besinya akan jadi zat liquid juga, oke, zat cair juga. Nah, itu disebutnya nama titik didihnya. But every substance has different boiling point. Ya, tapi setiap zat itu berbeda-beda titik didihnya. Oke. Okay? Nah, when water is boiling, biasanya bubble is formed. Ada gelembung-gelembungnya throughout the liquid, with the biggest one at the top. Nah, yang paling gede itu bisa di atas nih. While the liquid is so hot, panas banget, it starts to form vapor inside itself. So we can see bubbles. Now, okay, it will not get any hotter even if we heat it for a long time. Its temperature will be the same, or will remain the same at 100 degrees Celsius. Air ini akan tetap dipanaskan terus-menerus, tetap akan 100 derajat Celsius. Ya. Yeah. I think I'm going to continue about the freezing and melting after this. Okay, my beloved kids. Now, this is what we call as the pressure. Now I'm going to continue to the part 2. Ya, syukron barakallahu fiik.